The Kharkiv region in Ukraine has become the epicenter of fierce fighting in recent days, with reports emerging of Russian drones targeting Ukrainian military assets. According to several videos circulating on social media, at least 2 Ukrainian self-propelled guns fell victim to these attacks. Among the targets was a brand new 155mm 2S22 Bogdana self-propelled gun SPG located near the settlement of Borshevskaya, approximately 20 kilometers north of Kharkiv. The precision strikes were attributed to the use of a Lancet kamikaze UAV, which reportedly destroyed the SPG with devastating accuracy. The Bogdana SPG holds significant strategic importance, boasting the capability to utilize NATO standard shells and effectively engage targets up to 50 kilometers away. However, reports suggest that Ukraine's arsenal of such SPGs is limited, making the loss of even one a significant blow to its defense capabilities. The Russian Telegram channel Nordwind claimed responsibility for disseminating footage of the attack, showcasing the moments leading up to the destruction of the SPG. In the video, the Bogdana is seen in motion along a rural road before coming to a halt. Subsequently, the howitzer, apparently battle-ready, fires a single round before being targeted by the drone, leaving Ukrainian forces scrambling in the aftermath. A Russian drone strikes a Bogdana's self-propelled gun SPG, engulfing it in flames and smoke. The fate of the gun crew remains uncertain. This incident, however, is not isolated. Additional footage surfaced on Tuesday from the Telegram channel Archangel of Spetsnaz Z, depicting another Bogdana SPG seeking refuge in a wooded area, encircled by what seems to be infantry trenches or anti-tank defenses. The drone targets a grove, causing a fire to erupt around the concealed SPG. Despite attempts to evade, the vehicle, already ablaze, is forced to retreat down the road, halting only when the fire continues to rage unabated. Meanwhile, according to the Telegram channel Voinarcher, Ukraine may have suffered the loss of up to 3 Bogdana SPGs in the region. This assessment is based on another video showing an abandoned, charred SPG on the roadside in Kharkiv region. However, it remains uncertain whether this particular SPG is the same one observed in previous footage or a distinct instance. Russian forces are extensively employing Lancet drones, first revealed in 2019 to target Ukrainian heavy armor. Both Western and Ukrainian authorities have underscored the significant impact of these UAVs, considering them one of Moscow's most formidable military assets. These revelations of Ukrainian howitzer destruction coincide with Russia's recent offensive operations in the Kharkiv region. Moscow claims to have seized control of several settlements in the area. Ukraine has mobilized reserves to the region, yet Kirill Budanov, the head of Kyiv's military intelligence, has characterized the overall situation as precarious, teetering on the brink.